how to make $600,000 in 365 days with a faceless YouTube channel. Many people started their YouTube channels just a year ago and are now earning thousands of dollars. YouTube automation is the key to this success. In this video, I have compiled all my knowledge and experience into a complete, in-depth tutorial. But this is not just an ordinary tutorial. I also offer a course that will show you how to start a faceless YouTube channel that can be highly profitable, even with the help of artificial intelligence. I will also introduce you to one of the most profitable YouTube niches that has recently gone viral. This niche still gets millions of views and generates over $20,000 per month. Before we begin, a quick note. This is not just another motivational video that gives you a dopamine boost. Instead, this is a real, practical, step-by-step guide to making money on YouTube without showing your face. So if you're ready to start your own money-making channel, stay with me until the end. Like this video and subscribe to QTech Studio. Step 1. How to get accurate prompts from ChatGPT to create AI-generated videos. To create engaging AI-generated videos, log into ChatGPT and clearly state your request. For example, you can say, I want to create a video similar to the Minions trailer. Please generate 10 prompts for me. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will provide accurate prompts tailored to your request. If you found this helpful, give this video 5,000 likes so others can learn about this amazing method. Step 2. Generating high-quality AI images. Using Leonardo AI. Now that we have precise ChatGPT prompts, it's time to create high-quality AI-generated images using Leonardo AI, one of the best AI platforms for producing stunning images. How to use Leonardo AI? 1. Log in to the Leonardo AI website. 2. Go to the image generation section. 3. Enter the prompts generated by ChatGPT and click Generate. 4. Download the images and save them for your video. Pro tip: if you're experienced, you can adjust the settings for even better results. Step 3. Turning AI images into animated videos with Runway AI. Now that we have our AI-generated images, it's time to bring them to life using Runway AI, a powerful tool that transforms static images into animated videos within seconds. How to use Runway AI? Log into Runway AI, create a free account if you don't have one. Go to the Image to Video section. Import your AI-generated images one by one. Choose motion effects, zoom, rotate, etc. to make them look more dynamic. Set each clip to 10 seconds for better engagement. Click Generate and let Runway AI work its magic. Now you have high-quality animated videos ready for editing. Step 4. Editing your video professionally in CapCut. Now that our animated clips are ready, let's edit them into a professional video using CapCut, one of the best free video editing apps for both mobile and desktop. How to edit in CapCut? Open CapCut and start a new project. Import all the animated videos from Runway AI. Arrange the clips in the correct order. Remove watermarks by cropping or zooming in. Add cool effects and animations for a more cinematic look. Insert music and sound effects to enhance engagement. Export your final video in 1080p or 4K for the best quality. Step 5. Publishing and growing your YouTube channel. Now that your video is fully edited and ready, it's time to publish it on YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok to reach a massive audience. Tips to get more views and engagement. Use SEO-friendly video titles and descriptions. Create eye-catching thumbnails to boost clicks. Post consistently to build your audience. Use AI-generated content to scale up production. Final thoughts. This AI-powered method makes it incredibly easy to create engaging professional videos, even without editing skills. If you found this guide helpful, like this video, subscribe to Q Tech Studio, comment below. If you want to see more AI video making tutorials, stay tuned for more game-changing content on how to make viral videos using AI.